Welcome to this Red5 Cloud Round-Trip Authentication tutorial. In this video, we'll set up round-trip authentication on a Red5 Cloud node group. We'll configure it in the Cloud UI, then show it working end-to-end. Create a node group and name it. In the Authentication dropdown, select Round Trip. Then enter the authentication endpoint. You enter just the base URL. Red5 adds the validation or invalidation path, so each connection gets checked against your server. Deploy and wait until node group is active. Copy and paste the Stream Manager host. Make sure to copy the node group ID to the testbed settings. Under Authentication, enable it and enter a valid username and password. Open the round-trip publish example, enter the username and password, and start publishing. Red5 received the connection, forwarded the credentials, the server checked them, and returned accept. That's the round trip. That's round-trip authentication in Red5 Cloud. Point the endpoint at your own auth server, and Red5 will validate every publisher and subscriber against it in real time. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy streaming!